Telescope 80mm Aperture 600mm. Astronomical portable refracting. Telescopes fully multi-coated. High transmission coatings AZ. Mount with tripod phone adapter. Wireless control. Carrying bag. Brand Hexium. Model name AZ80600. Optical tube length 600mm. Eyepiece lens description Kellner. Objective lens diameter 80mm. Telescope mount description Altazimuth mount. Product dimensions 20 to 0.8 D. X 8 to W by 5.1 H. Focus type manual focus. Power source adapter. Finder scope reflex. Optimum magnification. Our telescope for kids and adults is equipped with replaceable excellent quality. Eyepiece is 25mm and 10. 2000 for X and 60X. Magnification. 3X Barlow lens trebles the magnifying power of each eyepiece. Magnificate moon up to 72 or 180 times. Also with 5 by 20 for finder scope makes locating objects easy. Excellent quality optics. This telescope is 600mm f 6.7. Focal length and 80mm aperture. 80mm aperture to capture more light picture in multi-fully. High transmission coated all optical lens enhance image brightness and clarity X. Portable and convenient. Comes with a phone adapter and an adjustable aluminum tripod. Wireless remote control and carrying bag make it easier for you portable and capture amazing images. Easy to set up in order to save your time. Even for novices, no tools are required to set up the telescope. Quick and easy to focus. Truly realize a no-tool set telescope. Satisfaction quality, lifetime maintenance. If you have any questions about the product and service, please feel free to contact us. We will do our best to help you in 24 hours. Reading of the instruction manual is required during installation.